Everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer mobile app issues in 2026. If the Buffer app won't open, keeps crashing, won't sync your accounts, or isn't working properly on your phone, follow these simple steps to get it working again. First, check your internet connection. Buffer requires a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to sync your social media accounts and load your content. If your connection is slow or unstable, switch networks and try again. Next, completely close the Buffer app and reopen it. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary app glitches and improve performance. Now, check if you're using the latest version of the Buffer app. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can cause bugs and compatibility issues. If the problem continues, sign out of your Buffer account and sign back in. This refreshes your account data and can resolve syncing or login issues. You should also make sure your social media accounts are still connected and reconnect them if necessary. Another useful step is to clear the app's cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone and Android. Reinstalling removes corrupted app files and installs a fresh copy of the latest version. Finally, if Buffer is still not working, check whether the service is experiencing a temporary outage. If everything looks normal and the issue remains, contact Buffer support with your device model, operating system version, app version, and screenshots of the error. That's how you can fix Buffer mobile app issues in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more